Harper, it's time for the Psalm of the day. It's Psalm 60. I said we'd be back Monday, but I forgot about Friday. So we're reading Psalm 60. Today I'm reading it out of the King James Version because I gave away my other Bible. I do have another New King James Version, so we'll pick back up with that on Monday. But Psalm 60. O God, thou hast cut us off. Thou hast scattered us. Thou hast been displeased. O turn thyself to us again. Thou hast made the earth to tremble, thou hast broken it. Heal the breaches thereof, for it shaketh. Thou hast shewed the people the hard things, thou hast made us to drink the wine of astonishment. Thou hast given a banner to them that fear thee, that it may be displayed because of the truth, that thy beloved may be delivered. Save with thy right hand and hear me. God hath spoken in his holiness. I will rejoice, I will divide Shechem, and mete out the valley of Succoth. Gilead is mine, and Manasseh is mine. Ephraim also is the strength of mine head. Judah is my lawgiver, Moab is my washpot. Over Edom will I cast out my shoe. Philistia, triumph thou because of me. Who will bring me into the strong city? Who will lead me into Edom? Will not thou, O God, which hadst cast us off? O thou, O God, which didst not go out with our armies, give us help from trouble, for vain is the help of man. Through God we shall do valiantly, for he it is that shall tread down our enemies. Thank you, Lord, for your precious word. We worship you. We glorify your holy name. We ask that you protect us throughout the day, Lord. And as always, brothers and sisters, go with God.